Busy parents rejoice. There's a new digital sidekick in town and it's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, your go-to AI genie ready to take on the daily chaos, from fixing email typos to giving you the edge in Facebook debates. Homework. Helper. Is your kid learning something you haven't thought about in 20 years? ChatGPT can be a lifesaver when it comes to homework. Whether your child is grappling with math problems, needs help with science projects, or requires assistance in crafting their essays, ChatGPT can offer step-by-step explanations, simplify complex topics, and even generate examples to make learning more accessible and fun. Email typos be gone. About to send an email and spotted a typo? ChatGPT is your on-the-fly editor, catching mistakes and suggesting improvements for tone and clarity, polishing up your emails so you sound like the pro you are. Smart shopping lists. Ever find yourself at the store, forgetting that one crucial item? ChatGPT to the rescue. Tell it what you're hungry for and what you have, and ChatGPT will ensure your shopping list is complete, organizing what you need so you never end up with a pantry full of pickles and no bread again. Better than Google, drowning in tabs trying to understand a concept. ChatGPT simplifies complex info into easy-to-digest explanations, saving you from the endless click spiral. It's like having a super smart buddy who doesn't judge your questions. Winning Facebook debates. We've all been there, caught in a Facebook debate, typing furiously. Want to bring your A-game? ChatGPT's your secret weapon. It helps you whip up well-informed, snappy comebacks, and even digs up facts to back you up, all while maintaining your cool. Family fun ideas. Stumped on how to keep the kiddos entertained or tackle that DIY project? ChatGPT is brimming with suggestions from family activities to step-by-step project guides. Personal learning. Whether it's mastering a new language or picking up a skill, ChatGPT customizes lessons to fit your pace, like a personal tutor that's always available. A dose of zen. Overwhelmed or feeling a bit off? While it's no therapist, ChatGPT can lend an ear and share some mindfulness tips to help you find your chill. Travel planning. Dreaming of your next getaway? ChatGPT can give destination ideas, travel tips, packing lists, and even teaches you how to say thank you in Thai. Creative muse. Need a spark for your next masterpiece or a plot twist for your story? ChatGPT's got ideas that'll get those creative juices flowing. This is just a sample of what ChatGPT can do for you. Remember, while ChatGPT is a fantastic tool, it's always wise to double-check its advice with a good old human brain. Think of AI as the digital Swiss Army knife in your pocket, ready to streamline emails, organize your life, and add a dash of fun to your day. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started exploring what AI can do to make our lives better.